In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Windows 10. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have JavaScript up and running smoothly. JavaScript is an essential component of most websites that enhances interactivity and functionality, so enabling it ensures that you can fully experience the web as it's meant to be. First off, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. It's quick and easy to find the Chrome icon, usually located on your desktop or within your Start menu. Once you've opened it, you're ready for the next step. With Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here you'll notice three vertically aligned dots. Clicking on these dots opens a drop-down menu filled with options. This menu is your gateway to customizing and adjusting your browser's settings. From the menu, scroll down a little until you find the Settings option and go ahead and click it. This will take you to a new tab filled with a variety of settings tailored specifically for your browsing experience. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're only focusing on a few areas. Next, look for the section titled Privacy and Security. This is an important part of the settings that controls how your browser interacts with the internet and manages your data. Click on Privacy and Security to proceed to the next stage. Under Privacy and Security, you'll find several other options, but what we're really interested in here is Site Settings. Clicking on Site Settings allows you to manage individual elements of your browsing experience. This includes anything from cookies to pop-ups, and critically JavaScript. Now let's focus on JavaScript. In the Site Settings section, scroll down until you find the option labeled JavaScript. By selecting this, you'll move to another screen specifically pertaining to JavaScript controls. Finally, you'll want to make sure that sites can use JavaScript is enabled. This means you would typically see a toggle switch here. If it isn't already activated, click on it to turn it on. When this option is enabled, Chrome allows websites to execute JavaScript, vastly improving performance and interactivity, as many modern sites rely heavily on JavaScript for tasks like loading animations or interactive content. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript on your Windows 10 computer using Chrome. Remember, keeping JavaScript enabled is crucial for the best browsing experience. However, if you encounter any websites that you find problematic, you can always adjust these settings for specific sites through the same process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make it an easy and painless process for you.